Is your TCL Roku TV remote not responding? Don't worry, this is a very common issue that usually has simple solutions. Let's walk through the basic troubleshooting steps that solve most remote problems. First, we need to identify which type of remote you have. There are two main types: standard infrared remotes that require direct line of sight, and enhanced voice remotes that connect via Wi Fi and often have a pairing button. The most common cause of remote problems is dead batteries. Start by replacing the batteries with fresh ones, making sure they're installed with the correct polarity. This simple step fixes the majority of remote issues. For infrared remotes, ensure there's a clear line of sight between the remote and the TV sensor. Remove any obstructions like soundbars or decorations that might block the signal. The remote needs to be pointed directly at the TV sensor to work properly. If the previous steps didn't work, try restarting both the remote and TV. Remove the batteries from the remote, then turn off the TV using the power button located on the TV itself. Turn the TV back on, and then reinsert the batteries into the remote. This resets the connection between the devices. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve most TCL Roku remote issues. Start with replacing the batteries, identify your remote type, ensure clear line of sight for IR remotes, and restart both devices if needed. If your remote still isn't responding, more advanced troubleshooting steps may be required. When basic troubleshooting fails, power cycling your TCL Roku TV can resolve deeper connection issues. This process resets both the TV and remote communication. Enhanced remotes with voice control require pairing to establish a wireless connection. If your remote stops responding, repairing often solves the problem. For infrared remotes, you can test if the remote is working by using your smartphone camera. A functioning remote will show a flashing purple light when buttons are pressed. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset of your Roku device. Warning: this will erase all your settings, and you'll need to set up your TV again from scratch. The Roku mobile app is an excellent alternative when your physical remote isn't working. Download it from your app store and connect to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. If none of these solutions work, contact TCL customer support for further assistance or consider purchasing a replacement remote. Universal remotes compatible with Roku devices are also available.